Hey you guys, so right now we're on our way to the beach and we're gonna have a nice beach day, and it's a really nice day outside.
A beach day! Beach day!
So here's Wesley and William in the back, and then here's Lynn looking gangsterlicious. I feel like I need my asthma medicine, but I didn't bring it with me, so hopefully I don't die.
I know mouth-to-mouth resuscitation.
Okay, like,
I saw it in a movie once.
and Lynn has been imitating me all day.
Well,
Kinda hard not to.
how about I imitate Taylor imitating you?
Okay.
Spontaneous beach day!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we're going on a spontaneous beach day. Okay, that's all I got.
So, yeah, we're gonna go and we're gonna have fun. So I'll let you guys know when we're at the beach. Say bye! Hey you guys, so now we're getting frozen yogurt before we go to the beach. Because what, we were all hungry and we decided to get stuff, so yeah. This little girl's watching me vlog right now. She thought I was vlogging her. Hey you guys, so we're about to go into this pizzeria and have dinner, I guess. What time is it? I don't know.
Yeah, it's dinner.
It's dinner. And we're gonna go do that. We just got back from the beach.
As you can tell by our luscious beach hair.
Here's the baby.
The baby? I'm not a baby.
The baby.
I'm not a baby.
And here's William.
Baby.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey you guys, so we're in the pizza place thingy and we're waiting on our pizzas. Okay, we'll stop.
That's where he's from.
Yes, duh. Okay, that's one.
I know
that's
that
the one that I picked up without
I knew
any
that
help
one.
at all. But then I read an article that was talking about it, and then I started like paying more attention. And in the, I think the one this past week. Yeah, it was the one this past week. They go to the airfield.
Yes.
And it was something. It closed down because the a test pilot disappeared.
Oh.
That's the most obvious hint that you can ever give.
That was a really big hint.
Yeah.
With
I forgot.
don't be making faces.